Hey, will you be going to the concert next week?
Yes, I will be attending. Will you be joining too?
Definitely. I will be looking forward to it.
What time will you be arriving?
I will be getting there around 6 p.m. Will you be there early?
No, I will be arriving around the same time. Who else will be coming?
John and Sarah will be joining us. Will you be bringing anyone?
Yes, I will be bringing my cousin. Will we be meeting at the entrance?
Yes, we will be waiting near the main gate. Will you be needing a ride?
No, I will be driving myself. Will you be bringing any snacks?
I think I will be packing some. Will you be bringing drinks?
Yes, I will be bringing water and soda. What will we be doing after the concert?
We will be going to the nearby diner. Will you be joining us there?
Sure, I will be joining. What else will you be doing this weekend?
I will be visiting my grandparents. What will you be doing?
I will be spending time with my family. Will you be staying the night?
Yes, I will be staying until Sunday. Will you be free on Monday?
Yes, I will be available. Will you be going back to work then?
Yes, I will be starting early. Will you be working late?
Yes, I will be working until 8 p.m. Will you be needing help with anything?
No, I will be managing. Will you be attending the meeting on Tuesday?
Yes, I will be attending. Will you be presenting?
No, I will be listening in. Who will be presenting?
Tom will be leading the presentation. Will you be asking any questions?
Yes, I will be asking about the new project. Will you be contributing?
Yes, I will be sharing my ideas. Will you be working on the new project?
Yes, I will be involved. Will you be partnering with anyone?
Yes, I will be partnering with Lisa. Will you be working closely with the team?
Yes, I will be coordinating with everyone. Will you be attending the training session?
Yes, I will be attending. Will you be participating actively?
Yes, I will be engaging fully. What topics will they be covering?
They will be discussing new strategies. Will you be taking notes?
Yes, I will be noting down key points. Will you be sharing your notes later?
Yes, I will be sharing them. Will you be needing them right after?
No, I will be reviewing them later. Will you be having lunch with the team?
Yes, I will be joining the team lunch. Will you be trying the new cafe?
Yes, I will be checking it out. Will you be trying the specials?
Yes, I will be ordering the chef special. Will you be bringing your own lunch?
No, I will be eating out. Will you be free for a quick chat after lunch?
Yes, I will be available. Will you be discussing the project?
Yes, I will be going over some details. Will you be available for the rest of the afternoon?
Yes, I will be free. Will you be working on the report?
Yes, I will be finalizing it. Will you be reviewing it?
Yes, I will be giving feedback. Will you be needing any help?
Yes, I will be needing some insights. Will you be able to provide them?
Yes, I will be helping out. Will you be meeting with the client on Wednesday?
Yes, I will be attending that meeting. Will you be preparing the presentation?
Yes, I will be working on it. Will you be needing any materials?
Yes, I will be requesting some data. Will you be handling the technical part?
Yes, I will be covering the technical details. Will you be focusing on the strategy?
Yes, I will be highlighting our approach. Will you be coordinating with the design team?
Yes, I will be ensuring they have everything. Will you be overseeing the execution?
Yes, I will be managing the rollout. Will you be available for follow-up?
Yes, I will be staying in touch. Will you be working from home on Thursday?
Yes, I will be working remotely. Will you be in the office?
No, I will be at home too. Will you be joining the virtual meeting?
Yes, I will be logging in. Will you be leading the discussion?
Yes, I will be facilitating. Will you be sharing your screen?
Yes, I will be presenting the slides. Will you be sending the agenda?
Yes, I will be emailing it. Will you be needing any additional documents?
Yes, I will be asking for the budget report. Will you be able to get it?
Yes, I will be obtaining it. Will you be preparing the summary?
Yes, I will be drafting it. Will you be reviewing before submission?
Yes, I will be checking it thoroughly. Will you be submitting it by Friday?
Yes, I will be meeting the deadline. Will you be ready for the weekend?
Yes, I will be looking forward to it. Will you be doing anything special?
Yes, I will be visiting some friends. Will you be relaxing at home?
Yes, I will be taking it easy. Will you be planning any trip soon?
Yes, I will be planning a short getaway. Will you be traveling anywhere?
Not immediately. I will be staying local. Will you be needing any recommendations?
Yes, I will be asking for some. Will you be available to chat later?
Yes, I will be free in the evening. Will you be calling me?
Yes, I will be giving you a call. Will you be ready by 7 p.m.?
Yes, I will be ready. Will you be discussing anything specific?
Yes, I will be talking about the trip plans. Will you be able to help with the itinerary?
Yes, I will be suggesting places. Will you be open to ideas?
Yes, I will be considering them. Will you be needing anything from me?
No, I will be good. Will you be catching up later?
Yes, I will be looking forward to it. Will you be available tomorrow?
Yes, I will be around. Will you be visiting anytime soon?
Yes, I will be stopping by next week. Will you be free then?
Yes, I will be free. Will you be staying long?
Yes, I will be spending the weekend. Will you be able to host?
Yes, I will be preparing the guest room. Will you be bringing anything special?
Yes, I will be bringing some treats. Will you be needing anything from me?
No, I will be ready for your visit. Will you be confirming the dates soon?
Yes, I will be sending you the details. Will you be checking your calendar?
Yes, I will be making sure it's clear. Will you be needing any help with plans?
Yes, I will be asking for some suggestions. Will you be thinking of activities?
Yes, I will be planning some fun things. Will you be interested in hiking?
Yes, I will be up for that. Will you be choosing the trail?
Yes, I will be picking a good one. Will you be bringing your gear?
Yes, I will be packing it. Will you be reminding me about the details?
Yes, I will be sending a reminder. Will you be all set by Friday?
Yes, I will be ready. Will you be picking me up from the station?
Yes, I will be there. Will you be bringing your friend along?
No, I will be coming alone. Will you be needing anything from me?
No, I will be all set. Will you be excited for the weekend?
Yes, I will be looking forward to it. Will you be sharing the plans soon?
Yes, I will be sending them over. Will you be needing anything else?
No, I will be all good. Will you be available if I have more questions?
Yes, I will be here. Will you be calling me later?
Yes, I will be checking in. Will you be ready by then?
Yes, I will be prepared. Will you be talking to you soon?
Yes, I will be. Take care.
You too.